Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to explore one of the most versatile and feature-packed super automatic espresso machines on the market, the De'Longhi Eletta Explore. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link below to grab this machine today at the best discounted price, because premium coffee gear like this sells fast. Personal computer emoji, cutting-edge espresso technology. The Eletta Explore is built to make over 50 different drink recipes at the touch of a button. It features a built-in conical burr grinder for fresh beans, precise brewing controls, and multiple customizable user profiles, so everyone in your household can save their favorite drinks just the way they like them. The real standout is its ability to brew both hot and cold coffee drinks, including authentic cold brew at the push of a button, something rarely found in fully automatic machines. With advanced extraction technology, it perfectly balances aroma, crema, and temperature to give you rich, barista-level coffee every time. Milk emoji, hot and cold milk frothing system. The machine comes with a dual-function latte crema hot and latte crema cool system, allowing you to froth milk, or milk alternatives, perfectly for hot lattes, cappuccinos, and macchiatos, or create silky cold foam for iced drinks. This opens up a world of possibilities, from chilled caramel lattes to foamy iced cappuccinos, all at the touch of a button. Mobile phone emoji, smart connectivity and ease of use. The Eletta Explore connects to your smartphone via the De'Longhi Coffee Link app, letting you customize drinks, adjust settings, and save recipes remotely. It's perfect for busy mornings when you want to start your brew while getting ready. The interface on the machine itself is intuitive, featuring a full-color touch display that makes navigating through the 50-plus recipes quick and simple. Ice emoji, sleek design and easy maintenance. With its modern stainless steel and black aesthetic, the Eletta Explore looks elegant on any countertop. It also includes automatic cleaning programs for the milk system and brew unit, plus dishwasher-safe parts, making maintenance a breeze. Its water reservoir, bean hopper, and drip tray are all generously sized to support daily use without constant refills. White check mark emoji, final verdict. The De'Longhi Eletta Explore is a true all-in-one coffee station, perfect for anyone who wants cafe-quality espresso, cappuccinos, lattes, and even cold brews at home. With its smart app control, built-in grinder, customizable profiles, and hot/cold milk frothing, it's one of the most versatile super automatic espresso machines available today. If you're ready to elevate your daily coffee ritual, this machine is absolutely worth it. Fire emoji. Check the link below to grab this espresso machine today at the best discounted price and start enjoying barista-quality coffee from the comfort of your home.